Hello, everyone. It's Mr. Gears. Welcome to Thursday, the 9th of December. It's virtual learning today. You're at home. I'm at school, even though it doesn't look like it. And we are going to get started with our warm up. And then I'm going to turn you loose to work on your own on IXL Math. So here we go. I'm going to share my screen. And here we are. We're looking right here. I hope you could see this like I do. This is Throwback Thursday. Throwback Thursday, and some of you guys might remember this picture. I think you'll all recognize a lot of the people in the picture. I see Fast Eddie, he's graduated. I see Randall over there. I think I see Animation Joseph. I see Nick. I see Kareem. I see Sam the Bam. And I think this is Mackay and Riley in the front. Anyway, Throwback Thursday, there's our throwback picture. Let's keep going. The joke of the day, here we go. What was the bunny's motto? You're gonna love this. What was the bunny's motto? Don't worry, be happy. Don't worry, be happy. Okay, we are going to keep moving right along. Our word play today, the word is peak, and I've got 3 different ways to spell it. So let's go to the first one. Can you peek over the fence? Can you peek over the fence? And this is pretty easy. And I'm going to tell you how I remember how this goes. But we're going to go with peek, P-E-E-K. And the way I remember is it has double E, like see. Peeking and seeing are very similar, S-E-E and then P-E-E-K. So if you have the double E, then you're looking at something. Next one, did that pique your interest? Pique your interest. And I've actually never heard this word used with any other sentence other than piquing interest. So let's take a look at what one that's going to be. I'm going to highlight this so that'll pop out. You think about it for a second. And I hope you picked P-I-Q-U-E, peak. Okay, and that just means, did it get your interest? Did it catch your interest? Is it something that popped into your mind, that kind of thing? And last, she climbed to the peak of the mountain. Okay, the peak, and that's the one we didn't use yet. P-E-A-K, peak, the mountain peak. All right, good stuff, everybody. Just remember, if you can see it, you can peek at it. You have the double E and you have the double E. So that's how I always remembered that one from when I was a young man. Okay, here we go. The do now. Josh started working at 12:30 p.m. And I'm going to get my highlighter. And he worked for 6.5 hours. What time did he finish? Okay, what time did he finish? So let me get this clock here fixed up. 12, there's noon, and there's 12:30. Okay, so first thing we do is we break it down. Remember, we break it into pieces. Any math is always easier if you break it into pieces. So first part, 6. Let's do 6 hours. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so that is 6:30. And then second, let's do the half hour, the 30 minutes. And we can count that out. And you all should know 30 minutes is just on the opposite side of the clock, but I'm going to count it out. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So the time he finishes, I'm going to type it in right in here, 7. He finished at 7 o'clock p.m. And I'm going to highlight that answer for you guys. Grab my highlighter. I'm going to make that a different color. 7 p.m. Okay, so let's get to the bonus now. Let me get my other highlighter. How much does he earn in one day if he's paid $12.25 per hour? Okay, so let's get that done. So I'm going to move myself. Put me over here. Okay, so he works for 6.5 hours. And remember, we've been talking about this all week. You can't put 1/2 in the calculator very easily. So we're going to convert it to 6.5. Okay, because 0.5 is 1/2 hour. 6.5 hours times 12.25 per hour equals. And let me get this clock out of here. We don't need that anymore. Okay, so there we go. Get your calculator out. I've got my calculator right here. Right here, and I'm going to punch this in, and I'd like you to do the same. Okay, I have my answer. Do you have your answer? 6.5 times 12.25. All right, and I want you to type that in and put that in the comments. Okay, so I'm not going to put the answer up for you. You should be doing this. You could do it on your phone. Find a calculator at your house. Type in this answer, and then, type this answer into the comments below. And then you guys are good to go. Get yourselves over to IXL Math, and I'd like to see a good 20 minutes of IXL, and I will be counting the counters. So please get 20 minutes in minimal. I'd really like you to do 30, but 20 is good. Email me if you have any questions on Schoology. Email me on Schoology. And those of you guys in 4th and 5th period, make sure you click on the sunshine and go to Thursday for Thursday's lesson. And that's going to also be totally asynchronous. And that is about all I have for you. So post the answer to this problem right here. Post that answer in the comments. So you need to do that math and post the answer in the comments, or else you're not going to get credit for today. That's it. I'm going to stop the screen share. Back out here in space. Thank you very much. And that is it for me. Have a great rest of the day. Send me an email on Schoology if you have any questions. Thank you, and I'll see you soon.